Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and I am Radha Krishnan. In this quick video, we're going to be seeing how to shoot a low light still using a mobile phone. Well, this is going to be our 18th episode of Shoot Like a Pro. On the 17th episode, we talked about how to shoot interesting portraits using the Vivo V27. And in this one, of course, it's going to be how to shoot low light shots. Now, how do you typically shoot a low light image using a mobile phone? Well, what you do is go to the camera, correct? Swipe across and go to the night mode. Aim at, just pan to the right and you will see here Jagdish reading something from his mobile phone, and his face is lit with just the mobile phone and the background is very dimly lit, okay? Now, when I look at it like this, using my phone, it says it's a 1 second exposure, and I'm going to touch the face. It's 1 second exposure using night mode, and I'm going to take a shot. The image looks a bit washed out, isn't it? And when I read the metadata, it says the ISO it was shot was on 995 ISO. Very nicely exposed image. And when you see very closely, you will actually see artificially softened images. Okay, the best way to improve this is by going back to your camera, go to the Pro mode, right? Now, this exercise will be true for every mobile phone, okay? Because it's thumb rule, it's physics. Lower the ISO, better the image. Higher the ISO, well, you are likely to get a lot of artifacts and noise and stuff in the shadow. Now, of course, in mobile phones, there are lots of artificial intelligence that plays the trick, and it actually reduces, or rather masks, all those deficiencies and give you a decent looking image. But if you use your Pro mode, let me pick the Pro mode here. And now I'm going to look at Jagdish. I'm going to frame this, and it says the ISO here, ISO 2066. Now, my aim is to bring that ISO down to, let's say, 250, 1/4 of 995, and shoot this at that ISO, but I want a little more information on the screen. So, which means I have to work on my shutter speed, okay? So I'm going to bring the shutter speed to a position where I get the kind of details that I want on the screen. And now let me read the spec, and it says 250 ISO. Let me enlarge this and look at it overall. Look at the way the images come through. It is actually showing you what exactly you saw with your naked eye. Okay, now this is a typical example how you can improve your night photography. Well, there are times when you will require much longer exposure to get the desired effect. In such a scenario, what you can do is to use something like a vlog kit. Okay, now the vlog kit can be used for vlogging, of course. It's a very, very useful device which you can have. You must have if you are interested in creating digital content. What I'm going to do is to use this kit and create an interesting, very stable image, okay? It also interestingly got a Bluetooth trigger. So let me try every mode. The first one is a typical photo. So it's going to go and do an auto shoot. So let me take that shot. I need to be still. Let me take a night shot of the same thing. Now let me go to Pro mode and let me pick a very low ISO, like 100. Nice. Okay, so let's now compare all these three shots. This obviously is our last shot. Look at the details. And this is the night mode. And this is the auto mode. Now you tell me which one is better. Let me also show you some images that I shot in our township. The camera was on the same vlogging kit and we shot these images. Try it at your home. Try it with any phone that you have and you will immediately see the difference. Now these days, most people who are interested in doing mobile phone photography, videography has one selfie stick at home. So you can use that. And even if you don't have it, see if you can find a place where you can anchor the phone stable while taking the shot. Now, by using this method, you can actually get a much better, cleaner, technically much superior image than what you would get using a simple click using a nightscape or a night mode in your phone. All you have to do is to follow the technique that I just showed you. You can do it, like I said, in any camera and you will see it for yourself. In fact, you can compare. I'll say you should compare the results that you are getting. I hope this was useful. If yes, please remember to subscribe and also share our channel because we are just a stone throw away from that magic 1,000,000 mark. Well, I'll see you in another video.